Are you planning to install concrete for your sidewalk, driveway, or other areas of your house? If so, you've come to the right place. Our experienced staff are waiting to hear from you and to answer any specific questions you may have on how we can meet your needs. Check out the following video and give us a call.
Are you looking for a local driveway paving or concrete installation service for your driveway, sidewalk, patio or other area? If so, you've come to the right place. No matter how big or small your project is, we offer complete professional paving and concrete installation, from start to finish. Our team of skilled workers can handle most any type of paving or concrete work, from driveways to roadways. Our team has years of experience and they're reliable, hard-working, and they get the job done right the first time. Contact one of our friendly staff now to arrange an appointment to discuss your specific paving or concrete project needs. We look forward to working with you.